Yeah, regardless of any crime you commit.
Hello,
But,
Alex
shut up.
Balkovich. You sure? I'm making a.
I don't care, shut up.
Alright, we're back. We're playing. Will you press the button on the phone though? So moving this around, we're gonna move it up here. What? You can have dinner with any musical artist. Well, I've ordered, but the last thing they want to talk about is music. Well, I mean, I'm sure. Well, I don't care what people like. You become the U.S. president. Anywhere you fight will turn into Call of Duty with the protagonist being on the enemy side. I get that. Well, I don't get into war.
It's not gonna fall.
You'd be the captain of a spaceship. You'll always be running from the law. Done. You became your favorite superhero. You have to listen to Nickelback song 2 hours a day. Well, yeah, I'll be Thor. I'll beat up Nickelback. You can play every musical instrument you want perfectly. You will not be able to play live. Don, what do you think?
What?
You will be able to play every musical instrument you want perfectly, but you will not be able to play it live.
I don't think so.
No?
No.
Alright. I like this dilemma. You get 3 wishes. Your worst enemy gets double anything you wish for. I can wish for bad things on him. You gain limitless ability to shapeshift. Yeah. Everyone you have ever known doesn't recognize or remember you. World peace, but NASA's fundings get cut. Well, I mean, they've kind of already lost 7 astronauts, plus more. So, who cares? You can have your dream spouse once per week. They turn into your worst nightmare. I'd like to fight off some crazy chicks. So yeah. Just like pull out a katana. And you look okay. Get 160 IQ, but change gender. Huh. No, I'm pretty happy with my gender. You'll have the most powerful PC in the world, and it can evolve by itself. You must have Windows Millennium as OS. Dun dun dun. It can evolve, so it can just like evolve from that. You can now make a limited amount of clones of everything, including yourself. That lasts for a week. You become empty and suicide during the whole week. I'll make a clone army. Imagine a bunch of clones of Alex taking over the world. That'd be awesome. You become incredibly popular and liked in your workplace. Everyone gets your name wrong 100% of the time. You know what? I don't care if people know my name or not. Your internet gets the fastest connection ever. You will get twice as many ads, and using ad blocker will kill you. Curse you, ad blocker. But no. I'm getting on this on my phone. If you guys have a phone, you can play this right now. I'll slow down so you guys can look at that stuff. I don't really care what anyone else looks at. You can have the girl/boy of your dreams. This dilemma. You became a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. You don't have the pizza benefits. I don't really want to be a turtle, so You get a dream job, wife, husband, company, rich, a ton of fun. Every time you wake up in the morning, you completely forgot the day before. Everything that this happens every day except one day of the week where you can wake up vividly remembering everything. You choose what day at the beginning of the week of each week.
And Mom, what's lukewarm coffee?
Well, I kind of already do that, so
Like almost full, but still.
I have to ask my brother what I did sometimes. You can scan anyone's mind, reading their thoughts, memories, and deepest, darkest secrets. Anyone can scan your mind, reading your thoughts, memories. Oh.
I drink cold coffee, so.
Oh. Yeah, I'm with.
I like hot, cold.
God damn it, Billy. God damn it, Billy. You can be guest star in any TV show you want. You'll have to have bad breath all the time.
There will never be war again. Budget.
That would be.
You can choose which race you want.
You know, I don't really want to be on a show, anyways. You can direct your. Oh. That just no. But now I'm gonna about. Use deluxe Wii that transports you into any game you want. You can't get out and actually hurt. I can't get out of the game I'm in or the console. If it's the console, I'll just stay in the console forever. Donald can pick the game for me from the outside. Donald, don't make me play Dora. I will kill you. I'll press it. 29% of the people press the button. I like it too. Become the most famous, rich, and powerful person on the planet. You must marry the person you hate most on this planet, regardless of the gender. Yeah, I do not want to marry the girl I hate so much at school, so. Fame and influence won't help, so your country will perish. Just go live it. Go to Islamic State. I think I'll just go to. I'm gonna be messed up. I'm gonna run to. What is it? Wairika and press the. Why no? Wairika City. Hold on. Crap, I'm dumb. Hold on. Yeah, I'm run to Islamic. Run to the Islamic State. Yep. Sorry if anyone out there is Muslim or Islamic. I never listened to Nickelback. I don't really know who that is, but. You can have every car. Ooh. What's the point of having a car if it's not even as fast as it's supposed to be? You have your personal chef to cook anything. Don't stereotype that will make you look. You're fired, that guy. He's fired. You can maintain your mental focus at any time. You cannot maintain your optical focus until you need strong, heavy glasses. Okay, well, I already got glasses, so. Get free computer technology for life. Can I own a car? Alright? My brother can own a car, and I can borrow it from him. Right, Donald? I can't own a car, but you can have a car, and I can borrow it from you.
Yes, you can borrow it, you can't have it.
I know you come to my garage. Like the car I buy for you. So stupid. Alright. Screw Findigo. No. Teleport anywhere I want you. Oh, crap. Well, this would be good time travel if I don't want to live. Like, for example, school will end in like 6 months. So I'll teleport. Crap. What did I press? Did I press the button? Okay, I did not press the button. Dang it, I meant to press the button. Did you get any power you want? You have to watch every episode of Jersey Shore to obtain the power. Alright, it can't be too bad. Alright, well guys, we're gonna end it right here after this last one. You can sleep. Huh? Oh.
Why do people hate Nickelback?
Yeah, what's
I don't
the
hate Nickelback.
like? Why do so many people hate Nickelback, Mom? Sorry, my mom's in the room.
What are you talking to me?
I'm on YouTube.
Why?
I can't be on YouTube.
Not if you.
You can sleep with anyone that you want. You fall asleep for 40 hours immediately after orgasm.
Orgasm.
What's orgasm?
Okay, get off of whatever it is to do with sex.
Alright, so I pressed no. We're gonna end it here because that was weird.
That was very weird.
You became famous and loved by everyone. Your family hates you a lot.
That's already happened.
Yeah, it's already happening. My mom does. Well, my family hates me a lot. Donald.
Don't say that.
No, it's on this. I become famous and loved by everyone, but your family hates you a lot. Would you press the button? This will be left for would you guys press the button? If you enjoyed this video, and see you later. Bye-bye.